Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to find information about your computer's hard drive in Windows. To get started, go into the Windows start bar and type in command prompt and open up the command prompt application. From the command prompt application, typing the following command: wmic space disk drive, which is disk drive, space get, space model, model, comma, serial, then uppercase N for number, comma, size, comma, mediaType, and make sure the T on type is uppercase. Now hit enter. Information about your computer's hard drive will now be displayed. As you can see, the type, model, serial number, and hard drive size is displayed. And it's as simple as that. Finding out information about your hard drive is a simple task to perform. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.